Excessive nutrients from agriculture risk being lost to water, where it can have a negative impact on the quality and the aquatic life. Nutrients move from sources with rainwater and will be transferred via different pathways above ground and below ground. And this is very much controlled by soil and bedrock permeability. And other important factors are topography and land use. It's very useful to know about the pathways, since this will help us to target measures to mitigate nutrient loss to water. And pathways will influence transit times, storage and connectivity to the receiving water. So we also want to know about soil chemistry and soil biology, since this will influence the processes along the transfer pathways. If the landscape was uniform, the nutrient loss to water would be directly reflected by its sources. But in reality, it's much more complex, and the Irish landscape is a mosaic of different types of soil, bedrock, topography and land use. And in the Irish Agricultural Catchments Programme, we've been monitoring water quality across 6 catchments in Ireland, and these 6 catchments were selected to represent this variability in the landscape. Since agriculture is the main source for nutrients and weather is the main driver for the nutrient losses, it is important to understand the influence of both agriculture and the ongoing climate change. Within the Agricultural Catchments Programme, the water flow and nutrient concentrations in the river outlets of the catchments have been monitored every 10 minutes for over 10 years, along with other information on weather, soils and farming practices. This has allowed us to understand the underlying processes and to identify critical areas, critical times and critical pathways for nutrient loss to water.